Big Brother 27 has been nothing short of unpredictable this season, and just when fans thought they had the game figured out, the producers threw in a shocking twist with a special eviction. This move has completely reshaped the house dynamics in the live feeds returning after the episode have revealed the new Final Four. For weeks, tensions in the Big Brother house have been building as alliances fractured, secret deals unraveled, and unexpected competitions flipped the power structure. The latest eviction was not only fast-paced but also left the house guests scrambling to figure out their next move with very little time to process. Now that the live feeds are back on, the game has entered its most intense phase yet. The special eviction episode kept fans on edge as the house guests had no clue that the eviction was coming earlier than expected. Typically, players have days to campaign, form deals, or try to sway votes, but this time the house guests were blindsided and forced into a quick decision. The result sent a major player packing, shocking not just the audience but also the remaining competitors who had counted on that person as or a shield or a reliable ally. The live audience and viewer at home saw an eviction that will be talked about for seasons to come, as one of the strongest social and strategic players was suddenly gone without the usual lead-up. As the feeds turned back on after the broadcast, the Final Four were revealed, and their reactions spoke volumes. There was relief, shock, and even a little bit of gloating among the house guests who managed to outlast their competition. With only 4 players left, the game has officially shifted into its endgame, where every decision, every competition win, and every social move carries enormous weight. The eviction itself was brutal. The evicted house guest had been playing a strong game and had positioned themselves as someone who could potentially go all the way to finale night. However, the special eviction twist gave their rivals the perfect opportunity to strike, and they wasted no time pulling the trigger. In a matter of hours, their game was over, leaving the rest of the house guests stunned at how quickly the power balance shifted. The departure also means that alliances are now even thinner, and trust is harder than ever to come by. Fans who follow the live feeds were eager to see how the remaining house guests would react once the dust settled. The feeds showed intense conversations, whispered strategy sessions, and plenty of speculation about what comes next. With so few players left, everyone knows exactly what is at stake. A guaranteed shot at the final 3 and potentially the winner's circle. The returning feeds gave fans a real-time look at the scramble for safety, as the Final Four tried to assess their odds and figure out who they can truly rely on. One of the biggest takeaways from the feeds is how quickly the house guests are adjusting their strategies. Former allies are suddenly questioning each other's loyalty, while rivals are trying to build temporary truces just to get one step closer to the finale. Every conversation feels more intense now because everyone knows they are just days away from the final head of household competitions that will ultimately decide who sits in the final 2. The feeds reveal tension bubbling just beneath the surface, with smiles masking paranoia and every hug hiding a potential backstab. The Final Four lineup has already sparked debate among fans. Some are thrilled that underdogs have managed to outlast the bigger targets, while others are disappointed that certain power players were taken out too soon. Regardless, this Final Four is packed with personalities, gameplay styles, and dramatic histories that promise a nail-biting finish. There are storylines of revenge, redemption, and unfinished business, all converging as the season reaches its climax. The live feeds have also shown how exhausted the house guests are at this point in the season. Weeks of isolation, competition stress, and constant paranoia have taken their toll. Sleep is scarce, nerves are frayed, and the pressure of being so close to the grand prize is pushing everyone to their limits. This mental and physical exhaustion could be the deciding factor in upcoming competitions, where one slip-up could mean the difference between sitting in the final 2 or being the last person evicted before finale night. For fans, the return of the live feeds has been a goldmine of drama. After the tightly edited television broadcast, the feeds give an unfiltered view of the aftermath. It is here where the truth comes out, what players really think about each other, what promises are genuine versus fake, and how strategies shift by the hour. Viewers have already picked up on subtle clues, like who spends the most time together, who avoids eye contact during strategy talks, and who seems overly confident heading into the next competitions. These little details often foreshadow the moves to come, making the feeds essential for die-hard fans. The Final Four stage is always one of the most exciting parts of Big Brother because it is where the endgame strategies are revealed. Will someone stay loyal to their original alliance, or will they flip to improve their chances with the jury? Will a house guest choose to take their strongest ally to the end, or will they cut them to improve their odds of winning? The feeds are already showing these tough decisions weighing heavily on the house guests, and fans are eagerly speculating on which way the votes and competition wins will go. With the jury already stacked with evicted house guests who will ultimately decide the winner, every move the Final Four makes will be scrutinized. Bitter jurors could punish betrayal, while others may reward bold gameplay. The feeds have shown players carefully considering how their actions will look not just to the jury but also to America. With the prize money and the title of Big Brother champion at stake, reputation and perception are everything right now. The return of the live feeds after such a shocking eviction has reminded fans why they love this show so much. It is unpredictable, dramatic, and filled with human emotion in its rawest form. The Final Four are now under the microscope, and every decision could be their last. Fans will continue to watch around the clock, dissecting conversations and predicting who will emerge as the winner of Big Brother 27. As the season nears its dramatic conclusion, one thing is clear: this Final Four has the potential to deliver one of the most memorable finishes in Big Brother history. The special eviction has shaken the game to its core, and now it is every person for themselves. The live feeds have revealed just how high the stakes are, and fans cannot wait to see who wins the crucial competitions ahead. The path to finale night is set, and with so much uncertainty in the air, the season is guaranteed to go down as one of the most unpredictable ever. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.